When your automatic transmission starts slipping between gears or feels like it is catching and jerking, it is a scary feeling, and a P0795 code is often the reason behind it. This code tells us there is a general malfunction with the transmission pressure control solenoid labeled C. Inside your transmission, there are usually at least 3 of these solenoids, and they are the gatekeepers of fluid pressure. Your PCM uses electronic signals to tell these solenoids exactly when and where to direct hydraulic fluid to engage different clutches and bands. If solenoid C is acting up, the timing of your gear shift goes out the window. This might start as a small hesitation, but it can quickly turn into your transmission overheating or the car getting stuck in one gear. The very first thing you should do, even before you start pulling sensors, is check your transmission fluid. Is it low? Does it smell burnt? Is it dark and dirty? Contaminated fluid or a clogged filter is the #1 killer of these solenoids because it prevents them from moving smoothly. If the fluid looks like bright red cherry juice and is at the right level, then it is time to look at the wiring. Check the connectors at the transmission and the PCM for any loose pins or signs of water damage. You'll want to use your DVOM to check for continuity in the wiring. If you find 0 ohms of resistance, your wiring is likely fine. But if you see an open circuit, you have found your break. Sometimes the fix is as simple as cleaning a corroded connector, but other times you might be looking at replacing the solenoid, the transmission pump, or even the valve body if the internal passages are blocked. Just keep in mind that what feels like an engine misfire can sometimes actually be this transmission code, so do not go replacing spark plugs until you have confirmed your transmission pressure is where it needs to be by checking the specific TSB for your vehicle.